Good morning, friends. Sometimes it is well worth getting up early. Look at that. Doesn't even look real, does it?
She's Lola. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
Hello, Pennsylvania. Goodbye, Maryland. Yay, Pennsylvania. Wow. Cool. So I decided I needed to pull over and do a little bit of a tourist thing and check out Gettysburg. Just a little town square here. Pretty neat. I might pop into that museum and see what it's about. I can't dawdle along though. I've got to get to the campground. I wonder if trucks like that were driving through when Lincoln was trying to give his speech. Oh, hey, I think I found it. Yep, I did. I think I found Gettysburg Address. Good morning, friends. I woke up early this morning, but it just seems like it took me forever to get my stuff together. I feel like I kind of have a driving hangover after that 500 miler I pulled yesterday. But today's going to be a good day. I'm going to just have a fun, chill day. I'm going to go check out Harrisburg, meet up with some friends of mine. Oh, I'm so excited. I'll tell you what, driving on these little windy roads is a trip. Everything's so close to the road. It's definitely different than driving in Texas. We don't have a lot of windy roads. All right, 13 miles from Harrisburg.
In half a mile, take exit 66 toward downtown Harrisburg.
It's making me climb all these steps. That's cool. So I finally made it to Harrisburg, and this is proof I was in BlindViews studio. He was such a great host, you guys. He took me on a tour of downtown Harrisburg. It really bummed him out that the weather was so bad, but I enjoyed every minute of it. What a beautiful city. Thank you so much, BlindViews, for taking me around. So much history here. There's just nothing this old in Texas.
Down here on the end is, you can't see it because of the weather, but there's a big white, you can kind of see the white building and it has a red roof. It's a big, it used to be a bathhouse.
Okay.
If you can see the cement at the end there, people used to go in there and have lockers and stuff like that and change and come out and swim right there on the end of the island and then go in. It was a bathhouse. But now they just kept it. Over there's volleyball courts. That's our Harrisburg Senators, our baseball team.
Okay.
That's our baseball stadium. We have a little football team too. So that's where all the local sports and stuff goes on. There's a little train that runs around the island that the kids can ride and stuff like that.
Almost looks real.
Yeah. Yeah, if it wasn't for the face, everything else looks awesome.
What are you reading about?
Briefcase and a hat.
Oh, we're reading the 1938 paper.
Damn, dude.
So you've never done
On this
this
side?
before?
Huh?
We'll do it from
Yeah.
this side.
Well, it won't do it right away. It'll like show you what's going on, and then you can take that time to figure out whether you wanted to.
Oh, so it prompts you to do it, this doesn't do it?
Behind the scenes, this is what
Right,
really
so if I
goes
hit
on.
live right now,
They don't know what
It
they're
won't go live,
doing.
it'll go through the first steps first?
It'll ask you to pose for a thumbnail.
Okay. Oh, potentially, yeah, blah, 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 blah. Chat messages held, for instance. That's the next thing. Will that pick up our voices? We have to,
Oh,
we
yeah.
have to yell?
Oh no, it shouldn't.
Should? Okay.
We should be good.
All right.
Although, speak to it like it's a person. You know what I mean?
Gotcha. Oh, yeah. Thirsty Thursday prep.
Should be interesting.
Yes, it should, because I'm not going to be able to read any comment. Yep, 6:59. I guess there's no.
See, you don't have that on a zip drive, baby?
It probably is here somewhere. It's his song. I'm sure it's here somewhere.
Pull up one of your old videos and at least play it.
Yeah, right.
And here we go.
Yep, let's do it. What the fuck?
Let's do this.
Let's do this. What's up, everybody? Thursday. On location. With friends. All kinds of stuff.
Do you have a cowbell? I
Cowbell.
need one. Apparently. Oh.
Oh, so they say depending on my setting here, there's a cowbell on the.
And your opinions don't matter yet because we didn't officially start. So, we might as well do this.
Oh.
Waiting on you.
I'm sorry, I'm a little slack.
You're watching the slow replay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go.
I got nothing.
Nothing. All right, let's see. On the way.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Alright, so I've got drumsticks now. Just don't have any drums.
Try again, see if you can. That missed. Totally missed.